Which country has the Shinkansen? Which country has the Trans-Siberian Railway? Which country has the Glacier Express? Where can you ride the Gahan Railway? Which country operates the Tayeri Gorge Railway? Choo-choo, traveller! 0 to 1 correct. You're a station hopper, just reaching the platform. With 2 to 3 right, you're a train tinkerer, tinkering with new routes. At 4 correct, you've ascended to railway conductor, guiding trains with expertise. And if you nailed all 5, behold our high-speed legend, blazing along fearless tracks.